and when we drag this to bottom, all the paddy will be collected in the jute bag. My name is Swam Sagatkara. I am from Kalahandi district and my school name is OAV Narla. India is an agriculture-based country. In our country, there are different types of land and situations throughout the country. Nowadays, the agricultural land is decreasing due to increase in population. We are also facing labor shortage during the time of agriculture. So, I have made a multi-purpose device to manage all these difficulties during the time of agriculture. It will manage all the difficulties with less labor and money. The name of my project is Swayam 2022, which means Smart Winnowing and Pady Filling Cum Yeilding Agri-Machine. The materials required to make this project are iron plates and bars of iron, motors and blade, wheels, wires, etc. The main feature of my project is easy to fill paddy in jute bag. Let's see how we can fill paddy in jute bag. First, we will drag this to back, and when we push this forward, some of the paddy will be collected in the paddy, and when we drag this to bottom, all the paddy will be collected in the jute bag. Let us see a demonstration. We push this forward, some of the paddy will be collected in a paddy collector, and when we drag this to bottom, all the paddy will be collected in the jute bag. At the past time, the people are doing paddy collection as like this, but now we can use this machine. There are some other features of my project. At the past time, the people are using plow and this type of thing for winnowing and plowing. But now I have made this project so that this can be easier. Some other features from my project are winnowing. We can easily winnow all the crops with the help of this fan. The next feature is plowing. As you can see at the bottom, there is a tiller at the bottom. So we can easily till down our field, we can easily plow down our field. We can transport different pesticide, insecticide with the help of this, as this can be used as a trolley. Let's see how we can use this as a trolley. After this, we can use this as a trolley and use this for growing different types of farming products. After that collection of crop, we can collect different type of crop in this and transport this to field and from field to our home. Sprinkling of medicine and pesticides. As we can see, there are two of the sprayer present on both sides of this machine. We can easily spray different type of insecticide and pesticides to our plant. These are some features from my project. Thank you.